Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Toolsland 2-in-1 soldering station. This soldering station comes with a built-in PID program, providing temperature control for both the soldering iron and hot air gun. Also can easily degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit conversion for your work habits. Comes with sleep mode for soldering iron and standby mode for a hot air gun, automatic shutdown, and calibration function. This soldering iron station is rated for 110-127 volts USA specification. Do not connect this iron to a 220 volts power socket. This handle type soldering iron with high temperature silicone protective cover, anti-scald, uses high quality ceramic heating core, heats fast, highly efficiency, and 392-896 F temperature controlled. Activates the sleep mode when 10 minutes non-use. The soldering iron's temperature cooling to 392 degrees Fahrenheit. Sleep mode protects the soldering tips plating from oxidizing when left unused, and extends the ceramic heating element's lifespan. The heat gun uses noise reduction design, built-in vortex fan, spiral outlet, efficient heat collection, rotating soft air, uniform heat dissipation, and no damage to parts. The temperature is 212 to 896 degrees Fahrenheit adjustable with variable air volume levels 1 to 8. When the hot air gun is placed into the holder, regardless of the temperature setting, the hot air gun will automatically stop heating and cool to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. Compact and space-saving, easy-to-use soldering station with integrated soldering iron holder that fits perfectly on any workbench. The stand, temperature control, solder tips holder, solder iron are all in one place. Our second best soldering station is KAIWEETS soldering station. The soldering station and detachable workbench can be used either separately or combined at random. This flexibility has been incredibly convenient when working on different types of projects. The quick and easy assembly and disassembly of the product make it a breeze to switch between various soldering tasks. Equipped with adjustable tool clamps and a magnifier. Magnifying glass is useful for working with small components, allowing for better visibility and precision. COT 936 soldering iron station has 60 watt stable output power and 392-896 F adjustable work temperature with C/F display. It is equipped with an upgraded ceramic heating core for rapid heating to improve welding work efficiency. The soldering station kit comes with 5 replaceable soldering iron tips in different shapes for various soldering needs. The copper wire cleaner and cleaning sponge quickly and efficiently clean the soldering iron tips from impurities and dust layers. Equipped with a large diameter magnifying glass and 2 alligator clips to help you better find the right position during the soldering process. Third in our list is YIHUA 926 360 watts digital soldering. This digital soldering station heats up fast and has a wider temperature range, 194 F-896, to choose from. The soldering iron can stay at the set temperature consistently with its PID temperature stabilization. This product conforms to the UL standard, US, an important evaluation for electric appliances safety. This compact soldering station helps save precious workspace with an integrated soldering iron holder to provide greater space saving. The metallic protective mesh at the rear of the station prevents accidental contact with the soldering iron, and the mesh comes with soldering tip storage slots. Includes easy degree Celsius to degree Fahrenheit conversion, sleep mode, 5/10/30ths of a minute's adjustable, and digital temperature calibration. All functions and temperature readouts are displayed via a digital display, and accessed via a master control knob. The station enters sleep mode when non-use is detected for longer than the set duration to reduce unnecessary wear for the soldering tip and heating element. This soldering iron kit includes the YIHUA 926 3 soldering station, 2 helping hands, 6 soldering tips, roll of lead-free solder wire, 35 grams, solder sucker, ESD-safe tweezers, solder wire dispenser, cleaning sponge. Number 4 in our best soldering station list is SREMTCH 80 watts LCD digital soldering gun. The 80 watt soldering iron, which heats up to operating temperatures in 30 seconds, heats up quickly with interheated ceramic technology, high temperature stability, and can protect your welding objects. Compared with soldering iron station, our soldering gun kit is portable to carry. The soldering iron with high definition LCD screen display which indicates the temperature status more clearly. With the temperature knob on electronic soldering gun, you can adjust the temperature from 392F to 842F, 200C, 450C. The 4 ventilation holes on the solder tip and 4 ventilation holes on pipe provide better heat dissipation than others. Power consumption is lower than ordinary soldering iron, which is more energy efficient and environmental protection. The soldering iron tools are a good choice for welding circuit boards, home DIY hobbyists, appliance repair, jewelry welding. It's easy to use, no matter if you are an electronics hobbyist or a beginner studying electronic engineering. The base of the desktop magnifying glass is made of solid cast iron, which is not easy to rust. It has a long service life, high stability, and no need to worry about falling down during use. All parts of the magnifying glass can be adjusted to suit your needs, with an adjustment angle of 360 degrees for each joint. Our last pick is Daxiongmao soldering station. The welding station adopts LED 3-digit digital display constant temperature system, which is specially designed for people who often weld. The station has high power performance, flexible temperature from 122F 896F, faster heating, enhanced temperature stability, and enhanced performance. A professional built-in transformer outputs contact safety voltage. The system's unique intelligent temperature control program can monitor and compensate within 10 milliseconds to maintain temperature stability and provide you with a consistent welding experience. This is the ideal choice for professional welding, industry and manufacturing, precision electronics, school laboratory, household and amateur use, electronic DIYs and maintenance, etc. The professional welding station automatically detects its working state. When it is not used for about 20 minutes, the temperature of the soldering iron will automatically cool down and enter the sleep state, extending the service life of the welding station and soldering iron. You can not only save electricity costs, but also save the cost of replacing parts. The upgraded safety design.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!